Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Alexa skill integration for smart garage control, detailed guide step by step clearly. To activate Alexa skill integration for smart garage control, begin by ensuring you have a compatible smart garage device. Check that your smart garage device is properly installed and functioning. Next, open the Amazon Alexa app on your smartphone or tablet. Sign in to your Amazon account if prompted. Tap on the More option located at the bottom right corner of the screen. From the menu, select Skills and Games. In the search bar, type in the name of your smart garage brand. Select the appropriate skill from the search results. Tap on the Enable to Use button to activate the skill. You may be redirected to a login page for your smart garage device. Enter your account credentials for your smart garage system, then click Sign In. Authorize the connection between Alexa and your smart garage device by following. Once authorized, return to the Alexa app home screen. Tap on Devices at the bottom of the screen. Select all devices to see a list of your connected devices. Locate your smart garage device in the list. Tap on it to access its settings. Here, you can customize your smart garage controls, such as naming the device. To ensure everything is set up correctly, test your smart garage voice commands with Alexa. Use phrases like Alexa, open the garage door, or Alexa, close the garage door. If you experience issues, consider revisiting the skill settings to troubleshoot. With successful integration, enjoy seamless control of your smart garage through Alexa. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.